guys, welcome back to Tutorial Race, and in this video tutorial you are learning about WordPress. So in this video tutorial I'm going to cover this page section of WordPress. We have already covered post as well as categories and to some extent tags also. So in this section let's see that how this page works. But before that, let's understand the difference between pages and posts, because in the page section, in the post section also, uh, you can add the articles here. Similarly, you can add from page section. So what is the difference? Remember, the main difference is that the page is used for static like pages. That means the pages which will not be frequently updated, for example about us, services, and maybe terms and condition. These kind of pages are not frequently updated, so the pages are used for more of like static like pages. But in case of post, the post is mostly used uh, for the purpose of regular updates. For example, the blog section where regularly the content is added. Also, suppose you have one section where regularly you add the news. So in that section, in that case, you will use post rather than the page. So let's see how you can create a new page. Just click on here, add new, and then I'm just writing here about us. This is about us page. Now click on publish. Okay, so this is now published, and you can see this page somewhere here. So about us. Okay, it's not visible here, and also it doesn't come in the center section, because in center section only comes the post part. Okay, so suppose you want to display the page section page somewhere here in the right section. So what we'll do, let's go to appearance and then widgets, and in widget section you can see uh, this is pages. Okay, so just drag it and put it here, and then okay, now just refresh the page and you can see about us and sample pages. These two pages are already there. Actually the sample pages was already there, that's why it was displaying there, this sample pages. Okay, so apart from that, and also one more difference between pages and post is that post requires categories. Okay, post is dependent on categories. So when you add any post, you have to select any of the categories. If you don't select any categories, then automatically it will go to the default categories. That means it will go to any categories. But in case of page are independent, there is no requirement of categories in case of pages. But yes, one page can be added inside another page. For example, about us, we can just write, for example, company. I've added about company. Okay, I created one page called about company, and let's create another page, say uh, our resources. Now about company and our resources, I want to keep under about us page. So let's click on here, all pages, and then let's go to our resources, and then in the right section you can see about us. You just select these, so this will become the parent page, and again just click on this, and uh, our resources actually will be under about company. Okay, about company, so this is the parent uh, page. and also our resources will go under this about us will go under about company. Okay, so these two pages, our resources and so our resources is under not about us, about company. Okay, so you can keep multiple level of pages one after another. So this about us and our services are under uh, about company. Just refresh the page, and here you can see this is the parent page, and inside these there are two other pages. So you can create page and sub pages also, but it is not dependent on categories. And in the page section also you can insert here featured images also. Just click on here, take it displays. So it was under about us. Okay, so inside the featured image you can see this image is displaying in the top. So in all the pages you can add your custom featured images from here. And also in the pages section you can see there are different options. For example, if you want to edit this, then you click on here and you can edit this page. And apart from that, there are other options also. For example, quick edit. If you click on quick edit, then here in inline you can change this URL, this date, and these details you can change from here only. Just click on update and you can update here. Apart from that, there is trash. So if you want to delete this page, then simply you can click on trash and it will go to trash page. Trash is like dustbin. So when you click on trash, that means the page is not completely deleted, rather it goes to the dustbin. If you want to bring back this, then just click on undo, or it will go to trash section. So if you want to completely delete, then just click on delete permanently, or just click on restore, so that it will go back to the page list. For example, if you want to restore, then you can see the page is now restored back to the list. Apart from that, if you want to delete multiple pages, then you just select and bulk action, just move to trash and apply, then it will be moved to trash. And also there is other options for filtering. For example, if you want to see all dates or just August 28 August 18, then it will show all the pages uh, dating to this month, the August. But if you have more pages in different months, then there are other options also, so you can check here. And apart from that, you can also search from here. For example, the list is if 500 list of the pages, then you can simply search here, and you can that can be the page you are looking for. It will matching page will display here. So hope you understand. And apart from that, there is another option, draft. That means if, for example, if you have written something and left half empty, for example, this is news. Okay, and then just go here and simply click on draft, then okay, and then publish draft, and then update. So it is draft. That means it will not be published unless you go to here and just again publish it. And also it will not display in the front section until you publish this. So this is the draft section. So hope you understand the page section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.